And tonight she's wake up, Charlie.
We have a great time together. It's very difficult to find somebody that can understand you in a way that is deeper than just superficial. And Kitty is one of the most ambitious human beings that I know, and I find that so inspiring. And I think we inspire each other. We kind of keep each other on our toes.
Are they too small?
Yay!
Good Charlie gifts every time they come around, don't you, Charlie? Good to be Charlie Bucket. I definitely wear the leopard coat. They got weapons forever. Wow. I feel like I just got Indian gifts given. Red gifts? But you're getting it. My legs are too sweaty, they all come off. Oh, please don't. I will not surrender. I do not work here. Thanks, you can take a picture. My best friend Shannon, I could tell her anything and she gets graded by, although she has an opinion about everything, which sometimes you don't want to tell her everything because, like, oh man, I have to listen to the truth. And she's my age, so it's funny, she's probably like an old soul.
We joke about this all the time. She called me an old soul because I talk too much. And I'm constantly fielding advice out to her that she doesn't ask for. I think I'm definitely one of the only people that she talks to in depth about situations that she gets in really deep. And we've been friends for so long that she's my best friend.